God for this beautiful blessing and to all the beautiful people who are here today. I would like to heartily thank to my alma mater, Rizal Elementary School. I would like to say thank you to our beloved principal, Dean Daniel, and to our district supervisor, Mrs. Carmen Navarro, and to our head teacher, Mrs. Josette Lopez, and to all the teachers, and to all the parents, and to all the family, and to our graduates who are here today. Congratulations. On behalf of my fellow Rizalian, batch of 1983, this is a great honor and privilege to go back to my school to share the story of my life. On behalf of my late parents, my tatay Bonifacio Compio Sr. and my nanay Emma Compio, who are in heaven right now watching us. Come from the simple and humble family of six. I am the second eldest of the family. I first attended my elementary here when I was 6 years old, in grade 1, all the way to grade 6. The first thing I learned when I was in grade 1, my teacher's name is Miss Sally Escolon. Siya nagtudlo sa akon kung paano magkaon sang laswa kag sa mga utan kag prutas nga ata subong akon jud nadala. Sa ako sa grade 2, ako nagtumduman ang akon maestra, si Miss Daniel, nagtudlo sa akon kung paano mag-save sang kwarta kag ibutang sa bangko para kung emergency may kwarta ka makuhaon. Sa grade 3, ako maestra si Miss Delphine. Siya nagtudlo sa ako kung paano ka-importante ang pagbasa. The importance of reading that bring us our goal and to become successful person. Sa grade 4 ako nakilala ang akong teacher, si Mrs. Teresa. Siya nagtudlo sa akon sa importante sa pagpalangga ng numero. Ay ako sa una, pagbudayan itong numbers. But she tried hard to teach me how to important to memorize all, to analyze multiplication, division. But I learned a lot from her. When I was in grade 5, ang among classroom, aral nila. Dito doon kami